Hello, if you are wondering if you can allow DMs from anyone on Discord, then the answer is no. There is currently no option to allow DMs from anyone. They have to be, for instance, your friends, or they have to be members on the same server as you are. However, let's talk about this for a second. So at the very bottom over here, you will find the user settings. Let's click over here, and then we can go to privacy and safety. If you want to, over here you have DM spam filter. It is recommended to have some sort of filter at the very least, so use these options. These are recommended. And if you want to receive direct messages from server members, then make sure that this option over here is enabled. So click over here, and then you will see, do you want to also apply this change to all your existing servers? So then whether you want that or not, you can press yes or no. I'm gonna press yes as an example. Over here you can also adjust the server privacy settings. So go through these options one by one to adjust the settings and have them as you wish to. And that's pretty much it. That's all you can do in terms of allowing DMs from other people on Discord. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.